My name's Pete Mylon. I'm a senior university teacher here in engineering, and I oversee the iForge Makerspace, working with students to give them employability skills.
So we really value it when we have the opportunity to engage our students in working with industry partners, because having built facilities in the university for students to engage in making things and putting their skills to use, actually there's no better opportunity than when they get to do that in a real project, working where they can see real impact.
So I'm Ben Steer, and I'm a fourth year general engineering student, and I've specialised in mechatronics.
I'm Ben Sharp, and I studied chemical engineering with a year in industry at the University of Sheffield.
So we've been working on a digitalisation of manufacturing project. Tinsley Bridge are a world-leading steel manufacturer based in Sheffield. So the project focuses all around the use of energy and the reduction of energy. So it's all about giving the business a better idea of where does that energy go, how can we reduce it, and what the real cost is of making those components.
And so we did that by making quite an innovative solution using digital technologies in Industry 4.0 and the Internet of Things really, to make a cheap solution that would help them understand what exactly in their manufacturing plant was using lots of energy and how we can help them seek some process efficiencies.
The students came from multiple disciplines, from engineering to mechanical to mechatronics and chemical engineering. This brought a very mixed wealth of information. The students have used Fusion 360 to design a prototype of a model factory to show how an energy monitoring system will work, to bring in new skill sets and help us innovate using these new ways of thinking.
Some of our industry partners come along with a really specific idea of what they'd like to work on, whereas others would like to access new knowledge and expertise but haven't necessarily shaped up a specific project. And we really welcome the opportunity to work with businesses at any stage of that spectrum.
I joined the programme because I see lots of gaps in the market and design solutions for them, but I have no way of progressing them. The university's setup and ethos has been fundamental to the progression of this product because of the way that the different faculties can collaborate. Having access to the university and the university's facilities, the students, their knowledge, everything, it makes things like my concept feasible and attainable for SMEs and other small businesses like mine.
Business has changed. We look at things in a new way. We know we've got to reduce energy, and now we're looking at how we can actually introduce some of the changes that the students have suggested.
I categorically could not progress this if I didn't have access to the help of the university, the students and its facilities.